Good morning, class. Today I'm going to be reading you the book called Someone Bigger, and it's written by Jonathan Emmett and illustrated by Adrian Reynolds. And today we're going to be talking about where your place is in your family and how that changes as you grow. So, someone bigger. Sam and Dad made a kite. They made it large. They made it light. They went out on a windy day to see if they could fly. "Can I hold it first?" asked Sam. "I'm old enough, I know I am." "No, you're too small," his dad replied. "This kite needs someone bigger." Then Dad let go and launched the kite and unwound the string and held it tight, while Sam stood by and watched and wished that he was someone bigger. But the wind blew hard and the kite flew high and pulled Sam's dad into the sky, and Sam went running after. "Can I hold it now?" asked Sam. "I'm old enough, I know I am." "No, you're too small," his father cried. "This kite needs someone bigger." The kite flew up above the town, where people tried to pull it down. A postman with a sack of mail, a bank robber, escaped from jail. A policeman riding on a horse, a bridegroom, and his bride, of course. But all of them were pulled up too, and Sam went running after. "Can I hold it now?" asked Sam. I'm old enough, I know I am." "No, you're too small," the people cried. "This kite needs someone bigger." And then by some strange stroke of luck, the kite flew past a fire truck. And when the firemen saw the kite, they grabbed the string and held on tight. But all of them were pulled up too, and Sam went running after. "Can I hold it now?" asked Sam. "I'm old enough, I know I am." "No, you're too small," the fireman cried. "This kite needs someone bigger." And other creatures from the zoo. Oh, I think I missed a page. Oh, here we go. The kite flew on, it would not fall. It pulled a rhino from its stall. That's a big animal. And other creatures from the zoo, a tiger and a kangaroo. Yes, all of them were pulled up too, and Sam went running after. "Can I hold it now?" asked Sam. "I'm old enough, I know I am." "No, you're too small," the creatures cried. "This kite needs someone bigger." But then Sam caught the kite at last. He grabbed the string and he held it fast. And even though he wound and wound, his feet stayed firmly on the ground. And one by one they came back down, everyone from zoo and town. Rhino, tiger, kangaroo, fireman, bride, and bridegroom too. Excuse me. Postman, policeman, robber, horse, and last of all, Sam's dad, of course. "I'll hold it now," said Sam, "because I'm old enough. I knew I was. I'm not too small, as you can see. This kite just needs someone just like me." And that is the end. Thank you for reading with me today, class. I hope you have a good day.